theorem number 2.6, that is areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles. They have given two similar triangles A, B, C and P, Q, R. These two triangles are similar, therefore corresponding angles are in equal. Corresponding sides are in equal ratio. Angles equal, sides are in equal ratio. That means angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR, AC divided by PR. These are the given things. Next, what is the statement here? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratios of their corresponding sides. Correct? Given thing, they have given two triangles. One is triangle ABC, which is similar to triangle PQR. Since they are similar, what is the given thing here? Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. This is the equation number 1. Next, corresponding sides are equal ratio. That means what? AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. Equation number 2. This is the given thing. Then to prove, what we need to prove here? What we need to prove? Statement ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay? Statement contains given to prove both the things. The ratio of, what is the meaning of ratio? Divided by. Yes or no? Ratio is nothing but what? Divided by. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles. What are the similar triangles? Areas of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. The ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of, correct? Is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of ratio of corresponding sides. What are the sides? AB divided by PQ, then BC divided by QR, then AC divided by PR. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ AB square divided by PQ square ಅದ. Shada? Okay. What is the statement here? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratios of their corresponding sides. Square of ratios of their corresponding sides. Correct? Okay. This is the to prove thing. Then what we need to do? We need to construct here. Construction. What is the construction here? Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. PM perpendicular to QR. We need to draw two perpendicular lines. AM perpendicular to BC. Then PN perpendicular to QR. PN perpendicular to QR. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Yes or no? 90 degree. This also 90 degree. This also 90 degree. Okay? Correct? Look here. What is the area of triangle ABC? What is the area of triangle ABC? Half into base, BC into height, AM. Then what is the area of triangle PQR? Half into QR into PN. Correct? Yes or no? Look here. the ratio of areas of triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, in the area of triangle ABC, you will get what? AM. Yes or no? In the area of triangle PQR, you will get what? PN. So we need to consider the triangle ABM and also PQN. Consider those two triangles. Consider triangle ABM and PQN. In the proof thing, construction construction. Just write it as. What is the construction here? Tell me. AM perpendicular to BC. Draw AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Construction mugita. Next, proof. In the proof, what we need to consider? Two triangles. What are those? ABM and PQN. In triangle ABM and triangle PQN. ABM, PQN. What are the equal things? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. From equation number 1. Next. Angle M is equal to angle N. Correct? Okay. Angle M is equal to angle N. Construction. Correct? Construction. What is construction? Perpendicular. That means what? Equal to 90 degree. Is equal to 90 degree. Angle M is equal to angle N is equal to 90 degree. This is the construction. Next, from angle similarity criterion by angle AA similarity criterion. Triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN. Yes or no? Two angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle M is equal to angle N. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Correct? Since they are similar, by CPST, that means by corresponding parts of similar triangles, what can we write? AB divided by PQ, then AM divided by PN, then BM divided by QN. Yes or no? By CPST, AB divided by PQ is equal to AM divided by PN is equal to BM divided by QN. Yes or no? Okay. Equation number 3. Now, area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is the formula? Half into base into height. Half into base is BC into height is AM. Equation number 4. Next, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base is QR into height is PN. Equation number 5. Equation number 4 divided by equation number 5 gives equation 4 divided by equation 5. Divide karo. Area of triangle ABC divided by ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Because to prove ತಿಂಗಳು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height whole divided by half into base into then height is PN. Half cancel. This is equal to BC divided by QR into AM divided by PN. Yes or no? BC divided by QR into AM divided by PN. What is AM divided by PN? What is AM divided by PN? AB by PQ. What is AB by PQ? What is AB by PQ? Yes or no? AB by PQ is nothing but what? BC by QR. BC by QR is nothing but what? AB by PQ. AB by PQ is nothing but what? AM by PN. Okay, instead of AM by PN, what can we write? BC divided by Q. Yes or no? Correct? Okay, instead of AM by PN, AB by PQ. Instead of AB by PQ, BC by QR. And then what are the things we need to consider? Equation number, from equation number 2, 3 and equation number 6 sir. From equation number 2 and 3 from equation number 2 and 3 in BC divided by QR is into BC divided by QR. From equation number 2 से क्या मिला आपको? AM by PN बोले तो AB by PQ. AM by PM बदले AB by PQ लिए. ओके, AB by PQ के बदले BC by QR इधर ले. BC into BC, BC square. Okay, BC into BC, BC square. Then QR into QR, QR square. That means whole square. Correct? Whole square. Therefore, area of triangle ABC whole divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC divided by QR the whole square. Equation number 6. Correct? From equation number 6 and from equation number 2. What is equation number 2? BC by QR is nothing but what? AB by PQ. BC by QR के बदले क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? AB by PQ. Then BC by QR के बदले और क्या लिख सकते हैं? AC by PR. Therefore, from equation number 1 and 2, sorry, 6 and 2 or 2 and 6. From equation number 2 and 6, ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಹೇಳು? ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB divided by PQ the whole square equal to BC divided by QR the whole square equal to AC divided by PR the whole square. Hence, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದು. ಏನಿದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಸಣ್ಣ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೈಟ್ಗಳು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.